Hello students, welcome to our maths period. Today's our topic is subtraction of 3-digit number. In that we'll see type 3 regrouping hundreds, tens and ones. Means in these examples we will take a borrow from all three digits, all three places. So the example is given: solve 623 minus 397, and that is solved here. So let's understand it. 623 minus 397, starting from ones column. 3 minus 7, as you can see 3 is smaller than 7, so we can't subtract 7 from 3. So we'll take a borrow from it next. If we take one borrow from it, how many will remain here? There is 2. And if we take 1 tens from 2, how many will remain over here? 1. And here 10 plus 3 is become 13. Now 13 is bigger than 7, so we can subtract 7 from 13. So what is the answer over here? 6. Now 1 minus 9, again 1 is smaller than 9, and our condition is first number should be bigger than second number, so we can't subtract 9 from 1. So again we will take 1 borrow from it next. Now next has 6. If we take 1 from it, how many will remain over here? 5. And here become 11. 10 plus 1 is become 11. Now 11 is bigger than 9, so we can subtract. So your answer is over here is 2, and 5 minus 3 is 2. So your answer over here 226. You can see we have taken the borrows from all the three places. So the topic name is regrouping hundreds, tens and ones. Next, when the tens and ones places have zeros, the condition is what? When the tens and ones places have 0, and in that case how we will perform the subtraction, that we will see. Example is subtract 237 from 500. So first, that example we should arrange in place value chart column, and it is given here. So let's see, 500 minus 237. You can see over here tens and ones places have zeros. So starting from ones column we will do the subtraction. 0 minus 7. So our condition is first number should be bigger than second number. Now 0 is smaller than 7, so we can't subtract it, so we have to take borrow from it next. But you can see here on tens place there is also 0. Now 0 is there, how can it give us anything to ones place? So we will move to its next. Next is 5. Now 5 can give us 1, right? So if we take 1 from 5, how many remain over here? 4. And here become 10. Now this 10 will give 1 to 1's place. Yes. So if 10 gives 1 to 1's place, how many remains? 9. So 9 and 1 tens become 10 over here. So 10 minus 7 is 3. Now 9 minus 3 is 6, and 4 minus 2 is 2. So your answer over here is 263. So we'll start our exercise 4.7. First solve the following. A. 591 minus 178. Starting from ones column, 1 minus 8. Our condition is first number should be bigger than second number. So 1 is not bigger than it, so we can't subtract it, right? So we'll go next and we'll take a borrow, or we will regroup the tens column. So if we take 10 from 9, how many will remain over here? 8. And 110 plus 1 is become 11. Now 11 is bigger than 8, so we can perform the subtraction. So count after small number up to big number. After 8, 9, 10, 11, that is 3. 8 minus 7. 8 is bigger than 7. Yes. So count after small up to big. After 7, 8, that is 1 only. And 5 minus 1 is after 1 up to 5. After 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is 4. So answer is 413. Now next is 786 minus 259, starting from 1's column. Now 6 minus 3 possible, as 6 is smaller than 9, we can't subtract it, so we'll take 1 borrow from it next. Now next is 8. Now 8 can give us 1, right? So 8 minus 1 is what? 7, and 110 plus 6 is become 16. So 16 minus 9, count after small number up to big number. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 means 7. So 7. 7 minus 5 is 2, and 7 minus 2 is 5. So your answer over here is 527. Now next, C and D you will try. I will take a next. Question number 2, write in columns and subtract. So examples are given. Let's subtract it. 412 minus 231. So first arrange it in the given columns, as 2 is on ones. So 2 on ones, 1 is on tens, 4 is on 100. Next 231. 1 is on ones, 3 is on tens, and 2 is on 100. Starting from 1's column, 2 minus 1. As 2 is bigger than 1, we can subtract it. So 1 after 2, that is 1 only. 1 minus 3. First number is bigger than second number? No. So we can't perform the subtraction over here. So we'll take 1 borrow from it next. Now next is 4. If we'll take 1, then how many remain over here? 3. And 110 plus 1 is become 11. Now first number is bigger than second one? Yes. So subtraction is possible. So 11 minus 3 is after 3 up to 11. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That is 8. And 3 minus 2 is 1. So your answer over here is 181. Next, B. 350 minus 129. So let's first arrange. 0 is on ones, 5 is on tens, 3 is on 100, 9 is on ones, 2 is on tens, and 1 is on 100. Starting from 1's column, 0 minus 9. First number is bigger than second one? No. So subtraction can't possible. So take a borrow from it next. Now next is 5. So 5 can give us 1, right? So if 5 minus 1 is 4, and 110 plus 0 is become 10. 10 minus 9, 1, 4 minus 2 is 2, and 3 minus 1 is 2 again. So your answer over here is 221. I'll take F sum here. Remaining you will try to solve. 900 minus 199. So 0 is on ones, 0 is again on tens, and 9 is on 100, and 9 is on ones, tens again, and 1 is on 100. Starting from 1's column, 0 minus 9. Possible. As 0 is smaller than 9, we can't subtract it. So we'll take borrow from it next. Now next is also 0. So it can't give us anything, right? So we'll go again next. Again next, and next is 9. So 9 can give us 1. So if we take 1 from 9, how many will remain over here? 8. And if this give 1 to its next, and 110 plus 0 is become 10. Now this 10 give us 1 to 1's place? Yes. So if 10 give us 1, then how many remain over here? 9. And here is become 10. 110 plus 0 is become 10. So now 10 is bigger than 9, so subtraction is possible. So 10 minus 9 is 1. 9 minus 9 is 0, and 8 minus 1 is 7. So answer is 701. Go to next. Third, subtract the following. So I hope you can do this remaining sums. Let's move to next. We'll take one sum from question number 4. Find the difference. So I'll take first one only. 400 minus 889, starting from ones column. 0 minus 9. Possible, as our condition is first number should be bigger than second number. So 0 is smaller than 9, so we can't subtract it. So we'll go to next for borrow. But here is also 0, so it can't give us anything. So we'll go again, it's next. Next is 4. Now 4 can give us 1. So if it give us 1, then how many will remain over here? 3. And it give us 1. So 110 plus 0 is become 10. Now this 10 give us 1 to 1's place? Yes. So if it is gives 1 to 1's place, then how many will remain over here? 9. And 110 plus 0 is become 10. Now 10 is bigger than 9? Yes. So 10 minus 9 is 1. 9 minus 8. 9 is bigger than 8? Yes. So 9 minus 8 is 1. And 3 minus 2. 3 is also bigger than 2. So your answer is over here is 1. So answer is 111. So this is how you can perform the subtraction. I hope you can do the rest of the sums.